Welcome to another video brought to you by SL Wild TV. An operation to save an elephant today. The view is unique. This elephant has faced an unfortunate incident. He fell into a mud pit. He does not have the strength to stand on his own. Several villagers have informed the Wildlife Conservation Department about this animal, and many people are joining together to save the animal's life. Veterinary officials rushed to the spot and started the rescue operation. This animal is exhausted from not eating for many hours and trying to get out of this place. Therefore, first give the animal multivitamins and antibiotics to increase its strength. Officials do their best to minimize infection by cleaning with alcohol before injecting antibiotics. The elephant is the largest mammal on Earth and its body weighs several tons. If the animal falls, it is difficult for people to pick it up if it does not have the strength to get up on its own. He cannot be lifted due to his heavy and massive body. Somehow the villagers and wildlife conservation officers are trying to lift him up with the help of ropes. Somehow, with a lot of effort, this baby elephant is taken out of the hole. The animal then goes to its usual home, the forest. This service done by the Wildlife Conservation Department and the common people should be highly appreciated. It is definitely a risky duty as they deal with animals. Many officers have lost their lives while engaged in such work.
उसमें करने बैठ गई थी दाता उलाने उधर दात तुंदर में मैं उसमें करने बैठ गई थी उसमें करने बैठ गई थी हेलो हेलो मैं आदि पैटिया कुछ पैट लाइन में कितना ना मैं मैं पीती नहीं देख के मैं टूटे के Nah, tawa din no nira. Iya, Hari. අර මල්ලි කෙනෙක් අතේ තිබුණා. මේකෙන්. එරා පස්සේ කකුලට දාලා පස්සෙන් පස්සට වැලි කොට්ට අදින්න. ඇදලා කෙලින් කරමු. වෙන විකල්පයක් නැහැ. දැන් ඔළුව පොඩ්ඩක් උස්සලා දෙන්න. දැන් යන්න. මේක ගහන්න පාන නෑ. නැගිට ගන්න පාන නැතු. කකුල් නේ මීරියට
වතුර බොන්න තියෙන එහා පැත්තේ ඒත් නෑ බං චුට්ටයි තියෙන්නේ. හොදගනේ අර කැලේ ඉහළට පැනලා වු. අපිට හොදන්නද? යන්න දෙනවා මෙයා යමන් අර ඇලෙන් හොදගත්තා බස්සන්න එක. ලාවට හොදගෙන ලොන්ඩරේ ඇත්ති මම යමන් බස්සන්න එක.